All right, so if you've been looking for good coins, good projects to be investing in right now I have done a lot of research and I've put together some good coins that I and my community members we are investing in. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this to you is because I also know that you are part of my community here on TikTok and on YouTube. But however, I'm not going to drop all the list in this place. I'm just going to drop, I think, 4 of the coins in this place for us. I don't want this video to be too long. So if you want to get access to the full list of coins, there are about 13 of them. If you want to get access to them, then make sure you join our Telegram group. You're going to see the link to the Telegram group in the description of this video or in the link in bio. Just go there and join the group. Then you're going to see the full 13 coins that we are investing in. Now, you may want to ask, these coins, are they not the same coins that we have been buying and it's going down? Yes, right now, projects are dumping. All these coins are dumping, but the truth is that they won't continue to dump forever. And now that they have dropped to a very low point, these are the times that people are accumulating them quietly. And again, these are not your normal meme coins that they come and then report, they scam you, they pump it and then they report and they leave you. No, these are not those kind of projects. These are projects that I have personally researched over the week, over I think over a month now. I've been looking at this project and they have been dumping. And then I decided that okay, it is time for us to start buying. So I'm just going to drop 4 of them right here for you. You can invest in those ones. Then if you want to go further and look at the 13 of them, then make sure to join the Blockchain Plus community on Telegram. When you join that community, then you get access to all the list of coins. Now, if this is your first time of seeing my video, you are welcome to Blockchain Plus. In this place, I make crypto simple and profitable for everyone. All right, so let's look at the first one on my list. So the first one on my list right here is YGG. So this project is a very good project. I've been looking at it for a very long time. And if you notice right now, the project is down a whole lot. It's down in a year, it's down by 61%. In the last 90 days, it's down by 37%. Now, if you look at this project keenly, you will notice that the circulating supply is around 761 million. However, the total supply and maximum supply is around 1 billion. Now that is normal. Now, if you look at the market cap, you notice that the market cap is just around 19.7 million. Let's just say roughly 20 million. Now, this is a very good project because this project, if you come down to the community, we see that they have over 22,000 people holding this project, and then over 22,000 votes with 90% bullishness on this coin. And again, if you look at the market cap right here, you will see that at 20 million market cap, if this coin goes to just 40 million, you've made 100% of your investment. And is it possible? Of course, this project can go to 50 million, it can go to 100 million, can even go to 200 up to 500 million in market cap, considering what I am seeing right here. Next one on my list is OPG. So let me just look for OPG right here. So this is OPG. Now OPG, I called OPG at around 0.15. It ran to 0.3. Let me just put this on daily so that I will see. It ran to 0. This high here, 0.34. You can see that high, 0.34, and then it dumped. However, this dump is just normal. It's going to continue to go back up. Now, if you look at OPG, OPG is a project that I think can go to anywhere around $5 to $10 at the moment. Because if you look at the circulating supply right now, it's around 190 million circulating supply. The market cap is around 41 million right now. It's still very, very low and cheap for you to get in. Now, I said $5 to $10, but even if you see this coin at $2, $3, or even $1 and invest right now, that's a whole lot of profit for you. Now let's look at a community right here. You can see this is just 5,000 plus holders at the moment. So this is a new project. If you look at it right here, you can see it just got launched April 2026. So this is the second one on my list, guys. If you want to invest in projects that are down, that are going to give you profit, these are the kind of projects you can invest in. However, this is not a financial advice, so you make sure you do your own research before investing in any of these projects. Now let me go to the next one on my list. So the next one on my list is ZKP. Now, this ZKP is something that I just have this feeling that this coin is going to do massively well in the near future. You can see it's also a good, it's a new project. It launched 2025, December 2025. So we are still in this project, and you can see the market cap is just 15 million with circulating supply of 250 million. You can see right there. And let's look at total holders. Right now, the total holders is not here. If you want to check that, you can go to their what to their Explore and check it out. But you can see that circulating supply is just 275 million, and then the market cap is 15 million. So if this goes to even 150 million, that is 1000%. That is 10x for you if you buy in what in spot, and if you invest in futures, that is a lot of money if you use 10x, 5x, or let's say use 3x for this one. Now, moving away from ZKP, I'm just going to talk about the last one here. Like I said, if you want to see the rest of them, join the Telegram community. So let me just look at the last one right here, which is Blend. Now, Blend is another very good project. You can see Blend is just a good project. It's a new project that just launched, and there is a whole lot of potential in this project. Look at the market cap also, 12 million. So if you look at this coins I'm bringing to you, the highest market cap you can see right here is around 40 million. So they are very, very cheap right now. These coins in the near future can be over the hundreds of millions. Some can even hit 1 billion. Is it possible? Yes, in crypto, all of these things are possible, but you need to make sure you do your own research on this coin. Now, look at the circulating supply. It's just 200 million. Now, if this thing goes to 1 billion market cap, or let's just say if this goes to 200 or 300 million market cap, that is already $1 for you. Now, imagine it moves from 0.06 cents to $1. That is a whole lot of money. But like I said in my community, these are not quick return investment. These are made to long-term investment. Why we did this as made to long-term investment is because these are not your regular random pump and dump project. These are not your meme coins. These are projects that have come to stay with good utility and good use case. You understand? So the team are building something on all of these projects. So guys, these are the 4 I said I'm going to drop for us in this place. If you want to get the rest of them, the remaining 9, join the Telegram group. That is where you see all of them. Now the Telegram group is just Blockchainplus Hub. Just go to Telegram, search for Blockchainplus Hub. Let me just show you real quick. So you can see right here, that's the second one right here, Blockchainplus Hub. So just search for this one and join this particular one right here. So this is the one you're going to join. So when you join it, you get access to the rest of the coins in this place. All right, guys, I hope this has helped you to know the kind of project you can be investing in. I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you enjoy this one. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.